Hello, my babe, my husband. After 13 years, ito na yung pinaka-hinihintay natin.
This love is like the church bells, as loud as they can ring. In the good man's face on his wedding day, when he sees his bride to be. It's like a little girl holding daddy's hand for everyone to see.
Nicole, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si EJ na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Padre.
Nobody loves you like I do, and I never want them to. Nobody loves you like I do, and I can't get enough of you. I don't ever want to.
Na-appreciate ko lahat ng ginagawa mo. Love kita. Love you too. Sobrang dami nating pinagdaanan. At tuwing maalala natin, wait lang. Yung mga panahong yun, napapangiti na lang tayo at parang gaan-gaan na lang ng lahat ng pagsubok basta magkasama tayo. Sabi mo sa akin, 13 years ago, nandito lang ako, ipaglalaban kita. Ngayon, ito ka, tinupad ang pangako mo. Nakatayo sa harap ng altar kasama ang mga mahal natin sa buhay. Thank you for loving me the way you do.
Nobody loves you like I do, and I never want them to. Nobody loves you like I do, and I can't get enough of you. I don't ever want to.
Babe, salamat at ako ang pinili mo. At kung paano kita minahal nung una, ganun pa din kita mamahalin hanggang sa huli. I love you.
This time, already know it inside. I can see the pain. Thought it would be worse when I cried, but all of it comes and it goes, and now it's growing. Listening to this line. Nothing can stop me now. I can't control all these emotions. They try to pull me down, so I'm letting go out on the ocean.
You made me better, and together we've learned, we've grown, and we've become the best version of ourselves. Pangako ko na andito lang ako sa tabi mo, palagi kang pipiliin, patatawanin, at sasamahan ka hanggang dulo. You are not just my love, you are my journey and my best friend. I love you. Agma.